All right, welcome back everyone. Glad you could join us. So beautiful summer day here. We've been doing some maintenance around the property and came across a project which I kind of thought was neat. So obviously everybody watching YouTube and Instagram and Pinterest, they have all these great ideas, and we have a whole bunch of these plastic chairs that you can find in the garbage or in the alleys that people are throwing away, and kind of a shame that they go to the dump. So we have a couple of those as well, and they're all sun faded, and I watched a video on how they repair stadium seats, and I thought, hey, that's got to be easy to do. So I took two of the chairs, and I did one already just to test to make sure it did okay. But we're going to refurbish or salvage some of these plastic chairs that we've got around the property. So let's show you what we did. So these are the chairs I'm talking about. You can get them new for relatively cheap, but a lot of these break, and of course they got to go to the dump. But some of them are just faded. Like the one in the middle is just a sun-faded, chalky chair that we use, but when we sit there for extended periods of time, our pants start turning green. And this white one, although it looks in pretty good shape, is kind of chalky and dirty. Now I don't know how this one's going to turn out, but so I tested one with a propane torch. Now I have a Tiger torch, but you could probably do it with like a plumber's torch. It would just take longer. And so we're going to try and refurbish the center chair there. So I have a 100-pound propane tank and a Tiger torch, but you could probably do it with a plumber's torch as well. But this we're going to fire up, and we're going to see if we can't make that middle chair look better. Well, 5 minutes with the Tiger torch and we've got ourselves another serviceable chair. Yeah, we salvaged this out of the back alley behind somebody's house years and years and years ago. They've been sitting in the sun, and the idea is that you're just going to melt the top layer, and don't get too close or too long in one spot with the Tiger torch, or you're going to melt this chair in no time flat. But we saved it from the dump, and we've got a serviceable chair for around the shop and in the forest. Okay, well, we're going to try the white chair. Now this one we washed, but we could not get all the dirt off of it, and I don't know what it is. It's just age and dirt and stuff that has been ingrained into the chair itself. But the chair itself is okay, so we're just going to give it a try and see what happens. Alright, well, that didn't work out so well. It turned the white plastic yellow, and yeah, I think the dirt's just not going away. We pressure washed it and we could not get all of that dirt off, so I guess it has its limitations, but the green chairs worked out okay. But, you know, we still use these chairs, and it's not going to the dump. Alright, well, that concludes today's video. Real short one today. So yeah, we salvaged two chairs here. Again, the white one is didn't work out that well. Maybe if it was cleaner, it would have worked a little bit better. But yeah, please use caution when you're using propane and torches and things like that. Do it in the open air. Stay away from flammables, that sort of thing. But I think, yeah, we'll get another year's worth of use out of these green chairs. All right, well, like I said, short video today. But yeah, we salvaged a couple of chairs that we're going to use around here. Sit around. Now, we're always working, so I don't know when we're going to find time to sit around. But when we do, we'll use these chairs. And we hope that you got an idea, and if you see them sitting in the back alley somewhere and they're serviceable, they're still usable. Maybe not for your patio, but for around your place and where it's not that terribly important how they look. So, but we're glad that you could join us. We hope that you got an idea for yourself, and if you enjoyed this video, we would love it if you would subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you again on another video coming soon. Thanks for watching.